A lot of times students come in, they say, well, I don't think counseling is going to help me. I don't think I need it. I said, well, if you had a headache, would you take an aspirin? If you were sick, would you take different medications? I said, well, you do have a sickness that maybe we have the medication for. So let's try it and see if it works. And if it doesn't, well, at least we tried.
It's a sign of good health. It's a sign of maturity to reach out and get help when you need it, to be connected, to know that we can't all function independently and alone in the world. Sign of strength is to recognize when you need help and to reach out and get that for yourself or to offer it to others.
I think people have fears about counseling, people have fears about medication. What I try to do is just sit and say, well, we're doing counseling now. It's not so bad, is it? Is this positive or is it a negative thing? And then if they need medication, I'll say, well, we can send you to the psychiatrist and it's up to you to determine whether or not you want to use the medication. But why don't we get a second opinion to see if you need it?
People with fears of being labeled in some way, I try to encourage them to try talking to someone, to see if that's in their experience. They might think that that happens as a result of getting some help. My hope is that if they meet with a professional, that they wouldn't leave that meeting with that feeling, that they'd realize that they're being treated as real human beings with real concerns and not being labeled.
I think one of the important things that students need to know is that there's many people on campus who can help them, be it their faculty member, the secretary in the department, the RA on their floor, counseling mental health services, or the health services staff.
It doesn't necessarily have to, work per se. Go give it a try. See what it's like. See what your experience is like. Sometimes people go to therapy and there's a lot of relief that first session. They feel so much better after just getting things off their chest.